10 facts about sloth. Hi, I am a sloth, and I will tell you 10 facts about me. Fact number 1. Life is a marathon, not a sprint. I move slowly, not because I'm lazy, but because it helps me conserve energy and stay hidden from predators. Fact number 2. I spend almost all my time hanging upside down in trees. My long curved claws are perfect for gripping branches, and my body is built for this topsy-turvy lifestyle. Fact number 3. My diet mainly consists of leaves, which don't give me much energy. That's why I've evolved to be super slow. It helps me make the most of the food I eat. Fact number 4. There are 2 main types of sloths, 2-toed and 3-toed. Despite the name, we all have 3 toes on our hind legs. The difference is in our front limbs. Fact number 5. My fur is more than just for warmth. It hosts algae, which gives me a greenish tint and helps me blend into the treetops, keeping me safe from predators. Fact number 6. Believe it or not, I'm a surprisingly good swimmer. I can paddle through water much faster than I can move on land, and I often cross rivers when needed. Fact number 7. My body is unique. I have extra vertebrae in my spine, which allows me to twist and turn easily while hanging from trees. Fact number 8. My stomach works as slowly as I do. It can take me up to a month to digest a single meal. That's because my diet of leaves is tough to break down. Fact number 9. I only go to the bathroom about once a week. I climb down from my tree to do my business on the ground, which is one of the rare times I'm vulnerable to predators. Fact number 10. By staying in the treetops, I help the forest. My slow movements and algae-covered fur contribute to the ecosystem, providing shelter and nutrients for other organisms. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.